What's up guys, Jason over here at Cog Hill Farm, and you're beekeeping with rookies.
I'm gonna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn through the night. Why you're so salty? I'll still take a bite.
Okay, you can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight.
What is happening guys? How are you doing today? We are about to go check the hives. It's been about 2.5 weeks, and there's a couple that I really want to look at because there's two that are semi-active and there's one that's super active. So let's go check these bad boys out. Oh yeah. Alright, let's see what they got going on. Look at all that honey right there. That's a lot of honey. That's all honey. You see it, Mary Carl? That box there had 3 frames slapped full of honey, but I didn't see any brood. So that's probably not a good sign. There was bees in there, but it was almost all of it was strictly honey. This one, on the other hand, this trap's got a lot of hive beetles in it. And I'm not seeing any new comb being built on this, so I'm gonna take this off. That hive was not good. I see wax moths, I see hive beetles. I'm not quite for sure to do with this one because of what I got. I'm thinking about taking all the boxes off except this one, and maybe they'll all concentrate and try to protect this area. I don't know if it's too late or what, I don't know. This is the first swarm I caught. It looks like they're bearding. Wow. This hive is thriving. This hive is booming. This is the first swarm I caught. You can see all the bees in the front. It looks like they're bearding. And it could be because of heat. It's been a little hot, but it ain't been that hot, I didn't think. This is the super I just put on 2.5 weeks ago. It is slap full, it looks like. I mean, look. This hive is thriving, unlike that one I just checked. This is all capped honey. 2.5 weeks ago, I put this in. Wow. This hive is just thriving. I am definitely going to have to put some frames together and get another super on this one. This one's rocking. So it's starting to get dark on me. The first one, that was the third swarm we caught. It's got 3 full frames of honey. I didn't see any brood. It's got bees in it. I didn't see any brood. It's got bees in it. I didn't see any brood. It's got bees in it. How'd you get in? It's got 3 things of brood. I mean 3 things of honey. I didn't see any brood. So I'm thinking about getting that honey out and using it. So I have something. The third one, that's when I had hive beetles in. I could see hive beetle larvae and I could see wax moth larvae. So I'm kind of don't know what to do with it. I'm thinking about taking all the boxes out and just leaving just one. I'm gonna throw these frames in the freezer and hopefully kill anything that's on them. I'm gonna ask Kaylee over there at Homestead what she thinks and see what I need to do. And I may have to do that tomorrow because it's gonna get dark on me. The first swarm I got might be my strongest hive. And I'm thinking that's why one of these got weak, is because it swarmed for one of these hives and weakened it, and I had too many boxes on there. So they swarmed, made that hive smaller, it got weak, and it wasn't able to defend itself from hive beetles or wax moths, and that's how they got in there. That's my theory. Again, I'm getting way better at checking them. You didn't see all the crazy bees everywhere. They were, again, way more calmer. I was more calm. The vented bee suit really did help today because I didn't think it was that hot, and it's not. It's a cool evening, but boy, I'm starting to sweat, and I can only imagine if I had the other one on. Hey, listen, I make a lot of mistakes with this. I'm no expert at bees at all. So all the advice I can get is appreciated. Hey, this is what you get with beekeeping with rookies. If you want to see more of our bee videos, I got a playlist right over here. If you're new to the channel, like what you see, hit that subscribe button right down below. And if you're interested in any bee stuff, check out Foxhound Bee Company. They're a local company here in Alabama, and they also do classes here in Alabama. Y'all be good.
Okay.